If you want to get live wallpapers on Nothing Phone 3, what you need to do is you need to download a third-party app that allows you to get animated wallpapers. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for, let's say, live wallpaper. We're gonna write that. And let's see if we can find any apps that allow us to have these wallpapers. So let's say, as an example, we're gonna go to this app over here, Zedge, Wallpapers and Ringtones. I used this app before, so I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to get an animated wallpaper. Of course, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. We can get notifications from the app, but we can just set not now. Over here, if you see this premium offer, we can just close it by pressing X in the top right corner. And now over here we have wallpapers. So let's switch to video wallpapers as we want to have an animated wallpaper. And let's say here we have some example wallpapers. So let's see these featured ones. And perhaps we're gonna check this one over here. There we go. So if you like the selected wallpaper, we need to press this download button over here. And we can either use credits, which we have over here in the top right corner, or we can just watch an ad in order to be able to use it. So I'm just gonna watch an ad instead. And after you watch the ad, we can set video wallpaper. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and then we can press set wallpaper. We can choose for the home screen or both home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna set it for the home screen only. And there we go. We have our animated wallpaper. If it's not working, you might want to tap on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.